Get ready to watch A to Z acrylic nail tutorial. I'm Mina and welcome to my channel. In this part, I will learn you and show you how to work with acrylic and traditional nail forms. Before starting the video, I did the cuticle prep and I prepped my nail plate for a long-lasting and better result acrylic nail. For preparation of the nail plate, I use sanding band file and you can use hand file too. Then I clean nail plate and apply nail dehydrator, and after dehydration I use primer. And right now I'm showing you how to attach the nail form. You should do this step very carefully, because if you don't do this step carefully and correctly, the result of the nail extension will be affected. I'm using acrylic nail brush number 8, and for sculpting the nail plate and extending the nail, I'm using 3 bead or 3 ball method in this part. When you're working on 10 nails, the previous nails that's sculpted will be dry and you have enough time to detach the form. But right now I'm just sculpting one nail finger and I should wait enough because of this finger should be dry totally, and then I will detach the nail forms. Then I start using hand file to filing the nail. I choose the square form for this model and I don't change the shape of the side walls. I just filing the surface of the nail and fix it correctly for a fantastic and natural result. I'm going to show you the previous steps for next finger because it's A to Z acrylic nail tutorial for beginner. And an important point that you should be aware about it as a beginner in nail tech is that practice and repetition is the main key for success in nail tech. And if you are new in our huge community, nail tech, please don't be disappointed. Just repeat and practice. You can see the fine and natural result of the acrylic nail extension. You can compare it with my natural nail and see the beautiful result. I'm using corn shape carbide E-bead with green tape to make the free edge a little more thin and make my nail extension more natural. For the final step, I'm using a super top shine. Super top shine, we call it top coat, top shine, or top gel. The super top gel is more durable rather than the common top shine or top cuts. I hope you enjoy these parts, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and visit English nail tutorial playlist. Love you all, buddy. See you soon.